Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of the $0 to $100 challenge. In today's episode, I'm going to talk a little bit about the different business model one can have with regards to the e-commerce space. So, full disclosure, I actually had 1 week for me to learn about all the different types of business models. I went through a lot of YouTube videos. I went through a lot of both American and also both Malaysian dropshippers, and I had studied the different models out there. So I only had 7 days to study this different types of business model one can run with regards to e-commerce. If it's a bit lacking, I do apologize. I was just paralyzed with so much data, and we have a challenge which is to make $100 by the end of the month. So if I were to continue studying, chances are I may not be able to, I guess, achieve this particular goal. So with that, after 7 days of studying, enough is enough. Let's just move forward. So these are the things which I've learned. The three basic types are as follows. The first type is where we are an online shop, or whereby we can maybe open our shop in Lazada, Shopee, also, or we can also have, I guess, a website where this is our e-commerce shop. What we can do is we can buy products from China or buy products from anywhere in the world. It could be China, India, and we can buy these products in bulk. When we buy in bulk, we will get bulk discounts. So assuming if we bought a particular product for maybe 10 cents, comes over to Malaysia, we repackage, we make it much nicer, and the whole intent is to maybe sell it for maybe 50 cents. And the 40 cents is not all profit. We have to do some form of marketing, assuming if marketing is 10 cents, if we had to repackage a product, it's another 10 cents. So the amount of profit we make per product is 20 cents. That's the profit one can make with regards to this particular business model. So we buy cheap in bulk and then we mark it up and we sell. Okay, so the advantage of this particular business model is that since we are the ones sourcing this product from all over the world, we can I guess choose different types of products. We have many choices, and with the internet, I guess it's limitless what we can choose, right? The second benefit is if our shop is or if our physical location is over in Malaysia, and if most our customers are Malaysians, what it is if we get a sale, we can deliver the product much quicker. And if we have a customer which gets a product really quick, maybe in 1 day's time, they will be happy, and with that, there will be goodwill with regards to your store, and they may be a repeat purchaser for your particular product. But the disadvantage of this is if we were to buy in bulk, assuming if we spend 10,000 ringgit or maybe 100,000 ringgit, and if we buy the product from the factory, and if we cannot sell the products that we bought, that will be some form of capital risk. The second business model, which I found really interesting, is dropshipping, whereby we are a shop and our job is to market the products, right? And should any of these guys be interested in buying a particular product, we have no inventory here in a second business model. So what we do is we just market these products, and if we get a sale, we just tell the factory to deliver the products to the respective clients, right? So the advantage of this particular business model, the dropshipping business model, is that it's low risk in terms of we will not spend much money with regards to inventory. But having said that, our clients or our prospective buyers may be a bit annoyed, since every time when they make a purchase, the shipment from China to, I guess, say if the client is from Malaysia, it may be 2 or 3 weeks, by which time I think even the buyer will be a bit annoyed with regards to the overall shipping process. But the advantage is it's low risk, and if you're first starting out, low risk may be a pretty good option. The third option, which I saw, which will cut the delivery time, is to dropship via Malaysia. So this is where there is a Malaysian wholesaler which buys products from China, and they will keep products in big bulk, and we are the advertisers for this particular products. Again, we are the e-commerce shop, and should we have any sales, this is where we will contact the local Malaysian wholesaler to dropship products to other Malaysian buyers. This over here will ensure that we have a fast delivery time. This will help with our store goodwill. The second advantage is that in terms of the capital that we're going to spend, is still going to be relatively low. All we need is just to spend some money with regards to our storefront and also for our marketing expenses. So it's fast and also it's low cost. Okay, so these are the basic type of business model one can have with regards to having an e-commerce store. Always remember this particular rule if it gets too complicated. Buy low, sell it high. It's just like investing in stocks. And to tell you guys the truth, on my end, after spending a couple of days studying and after getting so much of information, I just froze and it was so difficult for me to move. It was just so many ways one can move. Until I told this to myself, keep things simple, move forward. And if you guys are stuck out there, I just want to tell you guys this one advice. Buy low, sell high, keep things simple, move forward. With that, guys, I hope to see you guys in the next episode.